Your radiology imaging business relies on technology. And when an issue with a part arises, you need solutions quickly. Lucky for you, NewMed has a large inventory of parts, so we can typically process requests and repair your system in 24 hours or less. When a system arrives at our warehouse, we start by testing it as a whole to identify the parts that meet our standards. Once it is determined that a part is operating correctly, it will be packaged, barcoded, labeled with the date processed, then carefully and securely stored in our warehouse. For example, if you need a new CT tube, we easily locate the correct tube needed for your system. Your FSC picks up the tube, or if needed, we overnight it directly to your facility. Once the tube arrives, an engineer comes to your site for repairs. The repair is made and you're back up and running with minimal downtime. That's the difference with NewMed. Have questions? Reach out to us today at partsdispatch@newmedinc.com.